In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set title, Favicon, and social image, Lovable tutorial. We'll start at the very beginning so nothing is missed. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable, then open the official Lovable website from the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click into the project you want to update so we can configure its public-facing details. Inside your project, look for the Publish area. Click it to open the publishing controls. From there, go to Website Info. This is where you manage the essentials: the browser tab title, the favicon, and the social preview image that appears when your link is shared. Let's set the favicon first. Next to your site title, you'll see a small icon with an option to change it. Click that Change Icon button. Your computer's file picker will open. Select the favicon file you want to use and click Open. For best results, use a square image, ideally a transparent PNG, and keep it crisp at small sizes. A 256 by 256 or 512 by 512 image scales well down to typical 16 or 32 pixel displays. Now, update the title. Click directly on the existing title to edit it, then type your new title. Aim for something clear and concise that reflects your brand and page purpose. A good rule of thumb is to keep it around 50 to 60 characters so it displays well in search results and on mobile devices. When you're happy with it, you're set. Next, add your social image. Find the social or preview image section and click Upload. In the file picker, select the image you want and click Open. This image is what platforms like Facebook, X, and LinkedIn will show when your link is shared. A landscape image, ideally 1200 by 630 pixels, works best. Keep important text and logos away from the edges to avoid cropping, and use JPEG or PNG under a few megabytes for smooth loading. With your favicon chosen, title updated, and social image uploaded, click Save to apply all changes. Your adjustments are now stored for this project. If anything doesn't look right, you can repeat the same steps to swap assets or tweak the title and save again. That's it. You navigated to Lovable, opened your project, accessed Publish, set the favicon, edited the title, uploaded the social image, and saved. Give your site a quick refresh to see the new title and icon, and share your link in a messaging app to preview the social image. If you don't see updates immediately, browser or platform caching may take a moment to catch up.